This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bitcoin on Venmo. First, open your Venmo app and navigate to the crypto section. You'll need to complete identity verification, which usually involves providing personal information and a photo ID. This step is crucial for security and regulatory compliance, ensuring a safe environment for your transactions. Once verified, you can proceed to explore the available cryptocurrencies. To buy Bitcoin, tap on the Crypto tab at the bottom of your screen. Select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You can then enter the specific dollar amount you wish to invest. Venmo will display the current Bitcoin price and any associated fees before you finalize the transaction. Always double-check these details to ensure accuracy before confirming your purchase. Once purchased, your Bitcoin balance will be clearly displayed within the crypto section of your Venmo app. You have the flexibility to sell your Bitcoin whenever you choose. When you sell, the proceeds, minus any fees, are deposited directly into your Venmo balance, ready for use or transfer. Venmo makes it straightforward to monitor your holdings and execute trades. It's important to remember that cryptocurrency values can be highly volatile, meaning prices can change quickly. Also, Venmo currently does not support transferring Bitcoin to external crypto wallets. All transactions must occur within the Venmo platform. Always consider the inherent risks involved with cryptocurrency investments before making any financial decisions. Invest wisely and stay informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.